Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make a vanilla and chocolate split sheet cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a bowl, combine 440 grams of flour, 3.5 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix, then set aside. In a bowl with 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, add in 4 tablespoons of hot water. Mix until smooth, then set aside. In a bowl, mix 340 grams of butter until it's smooth and pale in color. Add in 400 grams of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 5 eggs, one at a time, making sure before adding the next egg that the previous egg is well combined. Add the dry ingredients in 3 batches. And 1 cup of milk in 2 batches. Mix until everything is well combined and smooth. Divide the mixture into 2 bowls. And add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into each bowl. Mix to combine. To 1 bowl, add in 4 tablespoons of extra flour and to the other bowl add in the cocoa powder mixture. Mix until everything is well combined. To keep the batter to one side, and place the rolling pin at the bottom of one side of the baking pan. Spoon both batters into the baking dish and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Now for the chocolate buttercream. I'll be making a white chocolate buttercream and a milk chocolate buttercream. In a bowl with 250 grams of butter, add in a pinch of salt. Mix until soft and pale in color. Gradually add in 250 grams of icing sugar and continue to mix until smooth. If the buttercream is too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Separate this mixture into 2 bowls. To one bowl add in 100 grams of melted white chocolate, and to the other bowl add in 100 grams of melted milk chocolate. Mix until well combined. Place the white chocolate buttercream onto the chocolate side. And the milk chocolate buttercream onto the vanilla side. Smooth out and top with sprinkles. Enjoy!